Sage Maitreya continued, "My dear Vidur, at the time King Prthu was enthroned by the great sages and Brahmans and declared to be the protector of the citizens, there was a scarcity of food grains. The citizens actually became skinny due to starvation. Therefore they came before the king and informed him of their real situation. Information is given herein concerning the selection of the king by the Brahmans. According to the Varnashram system, the Brahmans are considered to be the heads of the society, and therefore to be situated in the topmost social position. The Varnashram Dham, the institution of 4 Varnas and 4 Ashramas, is very scientifically designed. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, Varnashram Dham is not a man-made institution, but is God-made. In this narration it is clearly indicated that the Brahmans used to control the royal power. When an evil king like Vena ruled, the Brahmans would kill him through their Brahminical powers and would select a proper ruler by testing his qualifications. In other words, the Brahmans, the intelligent men or great sages, would control the monarchical powers. Here we have an indication of how the Brahmans elected King Prthu to the throne as the protector of the citizens. The citizens, being skinny due to hunger, approached the king and informed him that necessary action should be taken. The structure of the Varnashram Dham was so nice that the Brahmans would guide the head of state. The head of state would then give protection to the citizens. The Kshatriyas would take charge of protecting the people in general, and under the protection of the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas would protect the cows, produce food grains and distribute them. Shudras, the working class, would help the higher 3 classes by manual labor. This is the perfect social system.